Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise before this August House to ask question 93 of 2017 under my name. And the question is directed to Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Can the Minister inform the House as to when the construction of the new Rakiraki Municipal Market will take place? Thank you.
Thank you. The floor to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, my reply to this can be very straightforward and short, and to say next month. But the reason why I want to respond in detail, because I don't want media to come tomorrow and say that the Minister stopped the construction of Rakiraki Municipal Market. Madam Speaker, the construction of the new Rakiraki Municipal Market will commence in April this year. Madam Speaker, this project is in partnership with government, local government, and UN Women. Madam Speaker, the benefits will also cover 4 major stakeholders groups, namely consumers, farmers, value-added businesses, and local communities. Madam Speaker, markets such as Rakiraki forms a vital and significant link in our food chain and provide a valuable distribution channel connecting farmers and food producers directly with customers. Madam Speaker, this proposed new municipal market in Rakiraki shall measure 3,600 square meters with a ground space of 1,800 square meters allocated for 307 vendors' stalls compared to the current 127 vendors. Madam Speaker, the first floor shall have an open craft center and accommodation center for our women market vendors. Madam Speaker, the women's accommodation will assist rural women, providing them with the proper facilities as they come from far villages and stay overnight to sell their produce. Madam Speaker, the investment projected is around 5.8 million. And Madam Speaker, this project is expected to be complete in 12 months' time. Madam Speaker, to promote the farmers and vendors of Rakiraki community, and of course to support the national small and medium business policies, fees and charges will remain at the current rate. There will be no increase on the stall fees. Madam Speaker, I am fully convinced that the town of Rakiraki has the potential to develop and to unlock itself of the ample economic opportunities. Likewise, a suitable progressive infrastructure will be developed by the Rakiraki Town Council. Madam Speaker, there has been recent flooding noted in the area, and a joint interagency team is currently working on it. Madam Speaker, in addition to the proposed market development that I have mentioned, a new bus station shall also be constructed with an aim to improve bus stand facilities for the people of Rakiraki. The people of Rakiraki will now have a more convenient bus stand linked to the new municipal market. Madam Speaker, I thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Director.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank the Honourable Minister for your reply. Due to the frequent flooding in Rakiraki town, does the Minister has an option of building the market on a higher ground than building on the current site? Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, there is no need to find a higher ground for that, because normally market is an open concept, and in this market the stalls will be made out of concrete, and we have a measuring floor where the vendors can put their stock if there is warning of flooding. So flood comes, goes, we'll wash. There you go. Thank you.
It's just that we don't know what to believe nowadays. The Honorable Minister promised election by August of 2014. I think it didn't happen. Can you assure this House this will actually happen in April?
Did you hear?
Yeah, I want this assurance. It will happen.
Madam Speaker, let me make it clear for once and all in regards to the municipal election. I never said that we will have municipal election this year, next month or 2017. What I said that there is a process. There is a process for municipal election and my team is working on it. Now going back to the assurance, this man has a problem because he himself is not sure and he do not understand when the response is made.
That's unparliamentary.
Point of order.
For sure. It's unparliamentary. Yes. It's unparliamentary.
Thank you.
It's unparliamentary.
The Honourable.
You should say honourable one.
Thank you. The Honourable Member has taken offence to the statement that has been made, and based on my previous ruling, I will ask the Honourable Minister to withdraw that word. Thank you.
Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, as I have said in my response, that the construction of the new municipal market for Rakiraki will start in the end of April. Thank you.